What's up guys? Patrick here with T-Rex Overlanding, and we're a family that camps and travels with our Tacoma. And today, we just installed an aluminum truck cap by OPENROAD 4-wheel drive on our 2023 Tacoma long bed. In this video, I'm going to show you the full step-by-step process and why this is a game changer for our setup. This upgrade gives us weather protection, security, and more usable space for our trips. Honestly, it makes everything easier. We received the package yesterday and today we're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna walk you through the full installation process and give you some tips. Okay, I think that's it. We're gonna clean this up and then we're gonna lay down all the parts and show you everything that we have. It is really well packaged, man. Look at that. Every piece is covered. Okay. So we're gonna use the foam that it comes with to make sure that it won't get scratched or scuffed or everything. But this is nice. So we have that one. We're gonna lay down. First is the top panel. So we got everything inside the big box, and this smaller box are all the hardwares. And yeah, we're gonna check it now. Okay, so these are all the hardwares. We got the instruction manual. We got tape. We got rubber gasket. We get sealant and seems like a rolling ball. And for the sealant tip, this is like a wire topper. We have the M6 and gasket for the rooftop. We got keys and mounting bracket bolts. Wow. 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 10 keys. We got the M8 bolt. Wow. Okay. And then we got the bracket and T-nuts. And that's it. Alright, this is one of the side panels, and man, the packaging is really good. They have foam, they have bubble wraps, they have everything. Oh wow. Alright, you know, this is the most exciting part of every installation, unboxing. Come on. So we have this. Okay guys, we're done unwrapping everything, and this is what we have. This is the front panel with the clear glass. The back panel has like a tinted one, but they're both tempered glass. We have two side panels, two rails, and the top. So all I can say is they look pretty strong and sturdy. And now we're gonna move on assembling the items. So the first step is we're going to put the rail under the top panel, and we're going to clamp the side panel with this metal strip. Come on, let's do it. Roar! Dab. Dab on the side. Nothing too crazy. we're gonna use washers and nuts to hold it. Just finger tight for now, because later we're gonna have a lot of adjustments. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the side panels attached. We put some sealants, we use some washer and nuts to hold it, but only finger tight. We're gonna tighten up everything later after we put the back and the front panel. So let's move to the next step. Let's roar. Okay, so we're moving forward with the front panel. We're gonna put some sealant all the way to the side of the side panels and the top panel. We're just gonna put a strip just to help for the water resistant. And now we're going to attach the front panel, and we're gonna start with the corners. Okay, so we're done with the front part, and tips on installing it: start with the corners going up. It's easier to align that way, and don't tighten everything. Just put a bolt and a nut, but just finger tight. And now we're going to move on the back panel, and we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, as I was saying a while ago, start on the corner, the bottom corner, and then you're gonna work all the way up. It's a lot easier to align it that way. Okay, so we're done assembling all the panels, and it's looking good. It's easier than I thought, but now we're gonna tighten all the screws and make sure everything aligns before we flip it and put sealant on the seams. Come on, let's roar. Then clean the bottom part of the truck cap before applying the rubber seal. And remember, don't overstretch it. Just push it down. Okay, so the next step is we're going to put some sealant on the connection points of the panels to make sure the water will not seep in. Okay, so this is how it looks like after you put the sealant on the seams. It's not perfect, but I think it will do the job. So we are a family of 4, and this is our current setup. A rooftop tent and awning mounted on a bedrock. But there's one big problem. Our gear is exposed to rain, to dust, to theft, but we're gonna fix that today. We're going to install the OPENROAD Aluminum Truck Cap, and we're gonna call my friends to help me put it on the truck. Now, we are going to put the T-nuts in the bed rail. This will help secure the truck cap in the bed. This part definitely takes at least 2 people. We are carefully lifting the cup into position and aligning it with the bed rails before tightening everything down. After almost 3 hours of assembling and installation, we're done securing the truck cap in the bed of the Tacoma. And now, we are going to connect the third brake light of the truck cap to the tail light of our Tacoma using the provided cable connector. Alright, let's see if this truck cap can actually handle water. After checking it out, it's definitely water resistant. It handled it way better than we expected. And this is the final result. This completely transforms our Tacoma for family camping. More space, better organization, and most importantly, everything is protected. This is going to make our adventures so much better with the kids. T-Rex roar!